Hi everyone, welcome to our Forest Stewardship Workshop series. I'm Kim Ingram and I'm the Forest Stewardship Coordinator for the University of California Cooperative Extension. I want to give you a quick introduction to the workshop goals, how the workshop will be structured, and what the general expectations are. The Forest Stewardship Workshop is being funded through a CAL FIRE contract awarded to Susie Coker, Forestry and Natural Resources Advisor with Cooperative Extension, and a registered professional forester. The workshop was developed as a collaborative effort between UC Cooperative Extension, CAL FIRE, local resource conservation districts, and Natural Resource Conservation Service offices. We also depend on landowner support groups such as Forest Landowners of California, the American Forest Foundation, and Fire Safe Councils. I also want to acknowledge the many registered professional foresters that have participated in and support the workshop. We could not reach our program goals without them. There are approximately 14 million acres of privately owned forest land in California, 5 million acres of which are owned by industrial timber companies. The remaining 9 million acres are owned by people like you. California has 87,000 small private forest landowners holding 10 or more acres, so you're part of a large and important group. We know that California forests face many stresses due to drought, fire, pests, and diseases. These stressors have been exacerbated through fire suppression. Excluding fire from a fire-adapted ecosystem has led to the displacement and reduction of understory plants due to shade, conversion of shrub habitats to conifer thickets, displacement of deciduous vegetation by conifers, especially in riparian areas, reduction and loss of mountain meadows to conifer encroachment, and the reduction and loss of habitat of more open and non-forested habitats. In the past 20 years, we have also witnessed a huge buildup in forest fuels, which have resulted in more frequent and high-severity wildfires. As stewards of forests and woodlands and participants in this workshop, you have decided to take action to try and mitigate the effects of years of fire suppression and climate change. Through this workshop, we are committed to helping you identify and articulate your personal goals for your land. What vision do you have? What do you want done, and when? We will assist you in developing a California Cooperative Forest Management Plan. With the help of a registered professional forester, you can take this plan and apply for government cost-sharing programs in order to carry out your management objectives. This workshop has been developed using a blended learning format. This means at various times the workshop will take place independently online, in groups via Zoom, and all together in person. A syllabus has been sent to you which details what is expected, the delivery method, and the dates of each activity. You have also received a California Cooperative Forest Management Plan template. You'll be working on various parts of the plan throughout the workshop. And don't worry if you can't fill something out now or if it doesn't make sense. It will all come together at the end. You are responsible for completing certain modules or sessions on your own time. As you review the materials, please send me any questions you have. I will compile them all and send them to our presenters. We will meet once a week via Zoom to hear from the experts, review weekly activities, and answer any questions you have on the week's content. Our in-person session will take us out into the field for mapping and inventory exercises, and will help you visualize forest management possibilities for your own properties. Our last session will be an opportunity for you to meet in small groups with registered professional foresters and discuss specifics of your plan with them. Take this time to ask some questions about their experiences and thoughts on forest management. This will be your opportunity to find a registered professional forester that can help you finalize your plan. Our contract with CAL FIRE enables us to provide an honorarium to an RPF of your choice for an initial site visit. You must have actively participated in the online, Zoom, and in-person sessions to qualify for this. Once again, each week you are responsible for completing a learning module with a short activity on your own, sending me your questions, and then joining the larger group for a Zoom meeting. I will be sending out information information on how to access and participate in the Zoom discussions. If you've never participated in a Zoom discussion before, please contact me several days before your first session and I will walk you through it. Thank you for your interest in forest stewardship. I look forward to meeting you, and as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me.